What appears on screen is a compact media device with a pocket form factor, the kind of product that seems designed to bring streaming content to displays that lack built-in smart functionality, or to serve as a portable alternative to a full set-top box. At first glance, the Rayneo Pocket TV appears to run on Android TV or a similar operating system, offering access to streaming applications in a device small enough to travel with. The HDMI output seems to be the primary connection method for attaching to televisions or monitors. One thing that stands out is the positioning in a competitive segment. The market for compact streaming devices includes well-established names with mature app ecosystems, which may affect how the Rayneo Pocket TV is perceived by more informed buyers. Moving on to performance, at this form factor and price level, processing speed and wireless stability appear to be the primary differentiators. Users of similar compact Android streaming devices note that interface responsiveness and Wi-Fi signal strength can vary depending on network environment. From here, the remote control and navigation experience seem to determine much of the daily satisfaction with a product like this. Physical design, button layout, and App Store availability all appear relevant to the overall assessment. Overall, the experience feels like a niche but potentially useful device for specific use cases: travel, older displays, or secondary room setups. Some users may prefer established alternatives with more mature ecosystems. Depending on the specific applications you need and your connectivity environment, this appears worth evaluating carefully before purchasing.